question. Water in a canal water in a canal 6 meter wide, 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with speed of 10 kilometer per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes? In 30 minutes, if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed. This is your question. Okay. See, important question. Okay. See, actually in the question given here, a water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with the speed of 10 kilometer per hour. Okay. So, a water in a canal. Okay. Canal means which shape? Canal means you have to consider cuboid. Okay. The shape of the canal, which one you have to consider it as a cuboid. Okay. Yes. Okay. See. How can you say it is cuboid? Because they have given two information for this canal. What is that? 2 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep. Wide and deep. Wide means width, deep is nothing but height. Okay, so width, height will be for which one? Cuboid. For one cuboid only we will get, isn't it? So therefore you have to consider this canal in which shape? Cuboidal shape. Okay, so this is, first I will draw the figure. Okay, so this is my canal. I will consider it is in cuboidal shape. This is a canal. Okay, so the water from this canal is flowing with the speed of 10 kilometer per hour given. Okay, how much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes? Okay, yes. So from this canal, the water is flowing to a field. Okay, so this is your field. Okay, so this is your field. The water from this canal is flowing to this field. Okay, so the standing water will be at a height of 8 centimeter. Okay, this is in 8 centimeter. Okay, so this is canal. Water from this canal is flowing to the field. Okay, what is the height of that standing water? That is about 8 centimeter. Okay, so first I will write the given informations. Okay, 6 meter wide, that means the width of this canal. Okay, so width is nothing but a breadth, isn't it? So therefore breadth is equal to how much? They have given it as 6 meter. Okay, also given 1.5 meter deep. Okay, deep is nothing but what here? Height. Deep is nothing but height. Okay, so h, height of this canal how much? 1.5 meter. Okay, also given here which is flowing with the speed of 10 kilometer per hour. That means speed value given. Okay, speed is equal to how much? 10 kilometer per hour. Okay, this is the value of speed. Okay, how much area will it irrigate in a 30 minutes? Time given here. Okay, so time is equal to how much given? 30 minutes. Time is equal to 30 minutes. Okay, see students, actually there is a connection between speed and time, isn't it? What is that connection? Speed is nothing but distance by time. Okay. But speed they have given in terms of hours, kilometer per hour. Okay, but time is in minutes. So therefore I'll convert this time minutes to hours, because here speed given in terms of hours, isn't it? So how to convert this 30 minutes to hours? What is the connection between minutes and hours? We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, isn't it? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So therefore 30 minutes is equal to how much hours? 30 minutes is equal to how much hours? 1 hour means 60 minutes. 30 minutes means how much hours? We have to take the cross multiplication. Okay, 30 into 1, 30 itself by 60. Okay, 0, 0, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So this is equal to 1 by 2 hours. Okay, so therefore how to convert this minutes to hours? Okay, so we have to divide this 30 by 60. 0, 0 cancelled, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So this is equal to 1 by 2 hours. Okay, so therefore time is equal to 1 by 2 hours. Okay, yes. Also given here some of the informations, how much area, okay, if 8 centimeter of standing water. Okay, so this is a field, isn't it? So for this field, height of the standing water given, how much it is? 8 centimeter. Okay, so I'll represent it by capital letter H, because once we are already used here height, small letter h. So capital letter H equal to how much given? 8 centimeter given. Okay, yes. See students, here you can observe here all the informations are given in terms of meter. See, 6 meter, 1.5 meter. Okay, so all the informations are given in terms of meter. So therefore shall I convert this centimeter to meter, because in your question all the units must be in the same manner. Okay, if it is centimeter means all the values must be in centimeter only. If it is meter means all the values must be in meter only. Okay, so therefore how to convert this centimeter to meter? What is the connection between centimeter and meter? We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So therefore 8 centimeter is equal to how much meter? What to do? You have to take a cross multiplication, isn't it? This is equal to 8 into 1, 8 itself by 100, 8 by 100. Okay, so therefore how to convert this? 8 by 100 is nothing but, shall I divide it by 4 ones are table? Okay, 4 twos are 8, 4 how much are 100? 4 25s are 100. So this is equal to 2 by 25 meter. Okay, so therefore what is the value of height here? Height is equal to 2 by 25 meter. 2 by 25 meter. Okay, so what you are going to find here? How much area? The area of this field you have to find. What is the area of this field? Okay, area of the field is equal to how much? This is your question. Okay, how much area? Okay, yes. Okay students, so first of all, this is a cuboid, isn't it? To use the volume of the cuboid, what about your formula? Volume of a cuboid is given by LBH. Okay, so here breadth value and H value given, but length value not given, isn't it? So length of this cuboid is nothing but the distance covered by this water. Okay, distance covered by the water. Okay, so here speed value given. Okay, speed value given time also given. By using this speed and time, shall I calculate the value of distance covered by this water in this canal? Yes, okay. So we know that speed is equal to distance by time, isn't it? Distance by time, okay. So therefore, how to calculate the value of distance? Distance is nothing but speed into time, speed into time, okay. So if you multiply the value of speed with the time, you will get the required value of distance, okay. So therefore, distance is equal to speed value. What is the value of speed here? Speed is equal to 10 kilometer, okay, into time is equal to how much? Time here, time is nothing but 1 by 2 hours, okay. So this is equal to 2 ones are 2 5s are. So distance is equal to 5. What about unit? Since the speed is in kilometer per hour, this is also kilometer. Distance is equal to 5 kilometers. Students, don't be confused which units we have to use, because in the speed, your speed value given in terms of kilometer, isn't it? So therefore, your answer also will be in a kilometer only. Okay, yes. But again, I will convert this kilometer to meter. Why? My remaining all the values are in terms of meter. See here, height of the field is also meter. Again, height of this cuboid is also in meter. Breadth is also in meter. So therefore, this kilometer also should convert it to the meter. How to convert? What is the relationship between kilometer and meter? We know that. What is the connection? We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, isn't it? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So therefore, 5 kilometer is equal to how much meter? 5 kilometer is equal to 5 kilometer is equal to how much meter? You have to take a cross multiplication. 5 into 1000 equal to how much? 5000 meter, okay. So therefore, D is equal to 5000 meter, okay. See students, this D value is nothing but the distance covered by the water in this canal. That is nothing but length of this canal, okay. That is nothing but L value, length of the canal, okay. So the length of the canal is nothing but distance covered by the water in the canal, okay. Yes. Okay children, now actually the water from this canal is flowing to the field, isn't it? So therefore shall I write volume of water in canal, okay. Yes, so here I will write volume of water in canal will be equal to volume of water in canal equal to volume of water for irrigation, okay. Volume of water for irrigation, okay. So this is the main topic, okay. Volume of water in canal, the amount of water or the volume of water in canal, that is equal to volume of water required for irrigation, okay. But volume of water in canal, okay, see here the canal is in which shape? Cuboid shape. So therefore, volume of water in canal, this is nothing but volume of cuboid. This is nothing but volume of cuboid, okay. This is nothing but volume of cuboid, okay. Volume of water in canal is nothing but volume of cuboid, okay, that is correct. But volume of water for irrigation, that is nothing but volume of this field, isn't it? This is a field, okay. So that is nothing but volume of a field, okay. Volume of a field. Volume of a field, okay. Yes. What is the formula for volume of a cuboid? Our formula is about L into B into H. But how to find the volume of a field? Here field, the shape of the field I don't know, okay. But how to find the volume of the, what is the formula we'll use? See here, volume of a field, any field, if the shape of that field is not specified, okay, then what is our formula? Then we have to use, what is the formula? Base area, area of the base area into height, base area into height. This is the formula. Understood now? If the shape of the field is not specified, then which formula we have to use? Base area, area of the base of that field into height, which will give the volume of that field. Understood now? Okay, yes. So L value here, L is nothing but how much? What is the value of L here? 5000. So substitute here, this is about 5000 into breadth value. What is the value of breadth? Breadth is equal to 6 meter. Okay, so into height, what is the value of height? Height is equal to 1.5 meter, equal to, what is the base area? Base area symbol, I'll use it as a capital letter A. I don't know the value. Actually we are going to calculate this value. Base area, what is the area covered by area for irrigation? So that is nothing but a base area. Okay, we are going to calculate the value of A actually in this question. Okay, into height of the water level given here. What is the height here? Capital letter H, 2 by 25. Okay, so substitute here 2 by 25. Okay, yes. So now see, this 25 will come here. That 25 will multiply with these three terms. Okay, so that is nothing but 5000 into 6 into 1.5 into 25 equal to A into 2, equal to A into 2. Okay, yes. So now actually we are going to calculate the value of A here, so that this 2 will come to the denominator of this left hand side term. Okay, yes. So now okay, so what it will become then? 5000 into 6 into 1.5 into 25. That 2 will come to the denominator, equal to capital letter A. Okay, so now okay, yes. So now shall I cancel 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay, so now 5000 into 3, multiply 5000 into 3, how much you will get? 5 3s are 15. So you will get 15,000. Okay, into 25 into 1.5, multiply 25 into 1.5, 25 into 1.5 equal to how much? Okay, so 5 5s are 25, 2 carrying, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 equal to how much? 12, 1 into 5, 5, 1 into 2, 2. So 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 2 plus 1, 3. So that we will get 37.5 is the answer. Okay, so multiply it with the 37.5 equal to A. Okay, yes. So now multiply 15,000 with the 37.5. Okay, so first of all I'll write these 3 zeros so as it is. Okay, so now multiply the remaining number. 15 into 37.5 equal to how much? Okay, so I'll multiply here 37.5 into 15. Okay, yes, multiply 5 5s are 25, 2 carrying, 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 2 how much? 37, 3 carrying, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3 how much? 18. Next 1 5s are 5, 1 7s are 7, 1 3s are 3. Okay, so this is 5, 7 plus 5 equal to how much? 12. Okay, 1 carrying, 8 plus 8, 16, 1 carrying, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, So therefore, what about your answer here? 37.5 with the 15. Okay. So therefore, what about your answer? Your answer is about to 500 and okay, 5 6 2.5. What is the unit? Meter square. Okay, so this is the area, required area for irrigation. So now actually you will get 5625 and here 3 zeros. So now where you have to take a decimal point? See here, actually after one digit, isn't it? So therefore, so before one digit you have to take a decimal point. Okay, so therefore this is nothing but 562500. Okay, meter square. Okay, so after the decimal point you have 1 0, so no need to consider, you can neglect that 0. Okay, after the decimal point you have only 1 0, so no need to consider that. So now consider the remaining number, that is 5625 and 00 meter square. So 5,62,500 meter square. Okay, so this is the area of the required field. Okay, area required for the irrigation. Next question I will consider. 9th question. A farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter internal diameter 20 centimeter from a canal into a cylindrical tank in her field. Okay, in her field. Which is 10 meter in diameter. Which is 10 meter in diameter. Which is 10 meter in diameter and 2 meter deep. And 2 meter deep. If water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 kilometer per hour, in how much time will the tank be filled? Will the tank be filled? This is your question. Okay, yes, actually in the question given here. Okay, See here, a farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter from a canal into a cylindrical tank given. Okay, see here, initially you have water in pipe. Okay, so pipe means it's a shape of a cylinder, isn't it? Pipe will be in the shape of cylinder, isn't it? So therefore, first of all I'll draw the figure. Okay, so this is pipe. Okay, this is a pipe. Okay, this is a pipe. Okay, what is the diameter of that pipe given? The diameter of that pipe is nothing but 20 centimeter. Okay, so 20 centimeter is the diameter of that pipe. Okay, a water from this pipe which is flowing into a cylindrical tank. Okay, so from this water, from this pipe, okay, a water is flowing into a cylindrical tank. Okay, this is a cylindrical tank. Okay, yes, cylindrical tank of her field which is 10 meter in diameter. Okay, the diameter of that cylindrical tank given, that is about 10 meter. Okay, also which is 2 meter deep. Okay, deep is nothing but height. Okay, deep is nothing but height. Okay, this is about 2 meter deep. Okay, if the water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 kilometer per hour given, speed given here, rate means speed of the flowing water. Okay, how much time will the tank be filled? That means timings you have to find. Okay, yes, so initially I'll write the informations. There are two, this is pipe and this is a tank. Okay, so I'll make 2 columns. First one is for pipe. Okay, pipe means which shape? Cylinder shape. Okay, pipe means you have to remember the cylinder shape. This is in cylindrical shape, so pipe means cylinder. Okay, what about the another one? Another one tank. This is tank, already given, cylindrical tank. Okay, another one is cylindrical tank. Okay, so now I'll write the informations whatever they have given here. Okay, so first of all for the pipe they have given the diameter given, so therefore diameter of the pipe is about how much? 20 centimeter. Okay, okay, 20 centimeter given. Shall I convert this centimeter to meter? Yes, because for the another one diameter is 2 meter given for the cylindrical tank, so therefore I'll convert this centimeter to meter. Okay, how to convert? Okay, see, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, so therefore 20 centimeter is equal to how much meter? Okay, what to do? Do the cross multiplication. 20 into 1 is nothing but 20 itself, so therefore 20 by 100. Okay, 20 by 100. Okay, yes, so 20 by 100 is nothing. Okay, so before that, before converting it into a meter, first I'll calculate the value of radius. Later I will convert it into a meter. Okay, that's easy. Okay, if diameter is equal to 20 centimeter, then what about the radius? Radius is nothing but half of the diameter, that is 10 centimeter, isn't it? Half of the diameter, 20 by 2 equal to how much? 10. Okay, so now I'll convert this centimeter to meter. Okay, how? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, so therefore 10 centimeter is equal to how much meter? Okay, do the cross multiplication. 10 into 1, 10 itself, 10 by 100. Okay, so radius 10 by 100. Okay, so 1010 cancelled, so therefore what is the value of radius? Radius is about 1 by 10. What is the unit? Unit is about meter. Okay, so this is the value of radius given for a pipe. Okay, yes, also given here okay, speed given here. Okay, so before that, for the cylindrical tank they have given the information diameter given. Okay, so this is a cylindrical tank. Okay, for the cylindrical tank diameter I'll represent it by the capital letter. What about the diameter? 10 meter given. So if diameter is equal to 10 meter, then what about its radius? radius, I'll represent it by the capital letter R, half of the diameter, that is 5 meter. Okay, so now you can observe here, radius of the pipe is in meter, again radius of the cylinder is also in meter, both are in the same unit, isn't it? Okay, so next one more information given here, this is about 2 meter deep. Okay, 2 meter deep is nothing but a height of the cylindrical tank. Okay, so I'll represent it by capital letter H. Capital letter H is equal to 2 meter. Okay, so now they are given the value of speed, isn't it? Okay, so speed is equal to how much given? Speed is equal to how much given? 3 kilometer per hour is given. 3 kilometer per hour. This is what they are given in the question. Okay, so now first of all, I'll calculate the value of height of this pipe. What is the height of the pipe? Okay, yes. Okay, so before going to that, we know that volume from the pipe is flowing to the cylindrical tank, isn't it? So therefore, I'll use this concept, volume of pipe equal to volume of cylindrical tank. Okay, by this way I can calculate the height of that pipe. Okay, cylindrical tank. Okay, volume of pipe is equal to volume of cylindrical tank. Okay, this is the relation actually we have. Okay, pipe means this is in which shape? Pipe means this is in cylinder. Okay, so volume of pipe is nothing but a volume of a cylinder. Okay, what is the formula? We'll use pi r square into h equal to, again one more cylinder we have, cylindrical tank. So I'll use pi, in the place of radius I'll use capital letter R, because capital letter R is the radius of that cylinder, and height I'll represent it by capital letter H. So now shall I cancel this pi and pi value? Yes. Okay. So r square, what is the value of small letter r? Small letter r is equal to 1 by 100. So sorry, 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 whole square into h. H means height of the pipe. Okay. So height of the pipe I don't know. I'll write it as it is, equal to capital letter R square. What is the value of capital letter R? Capital letter R is equal to 5. So this is about 5 square. Capital letter H is equal to 2 here. Okay. So now 1 by 10 whole square. 1 square equal to how much? 1. 10 square equal to how much? 100. So 1 by 100 into H. 5 square how much? 25. So 25 into 2 you will get. Okay. So 1 by 100 into H equal to 25 twos are how much? 50. 25 twos are 50. Now shall I multiply this 100 with the 50? Yes. Okay. So then I'll get H is equal to 50 into 100. Okay. So 50 into 100 equal to how much? 5,000, equal to 5,000. Okay. So this is in meter. Okay. Because all the informations are in terms of meter. So therefore height is also in terms of meter. Okay. Yes. See students, actually the height of the cylinder is nothing but the distance covered by the water in the pipe. Okay. Height of the cylinder is nothing but distance covered by the water in the pipe. Okay. So therefore height is nothing but a distance value. Okay. Height is nothing but a distance covered by the water. That means value of D. Okay. Yes. Now shall I see students, there is a relationship between speed value, distance value as well as a time, isn't it? Okay. In the question actually your speed value given in terms of kilometer, isn't it? So therefore while we are using the formula, speed formula, the speed value is given in terms of kilometer. So therefore shall I convert this meter value to kilometer, because there is a connection between a distance value and a speed value, isn't it? So therefore I'll convert this meter to kilometer. Why I'll convert? Because your speed value is given in terms of a kilometer. So therefore how to convert this meter to kilometer? Okay. See, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to how much? 1000 meter. So therefore 5000 meter equal to how much kilometer? So what to do? Divide 5000 into 1 is nothing but 5000 divided by 1000. Okay. So therefore height is nothing but you have to divide this 5000 by 1000. 3 zeros cancelled, so you will get 5. So therefore what is the distance covered by the water in the pipe is given by how much? 5 kilometer. Okay, so actually our intention is to calculate the value of time. T is equal to how much? So now speed value given, distance covered by the water by the pipe also given. By using speed value and distance value, shall I calculate the value of time? Yes. Okay, so now I will use the formula for speed. Okay, so what is the formula for speed? Actually speed is given by distance by time, isn't it? Speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, so I will use that relation. Speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, so therefore time, I'll shift this time here and speed to the denominator. So therefore time is given by distance by speed. Okay, so what is the value of distance? Distance is nothing but 5 kilometer. So therefore 5 by speed value how much? 3 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is nothing but 5 by 3 hours. Okay, so therefore time is equal to how much? 5 by 3 hours. Okay, yes. Students, shall I convert this hour to minutes? Yes, how to convert this hour to minutes? What is the relationship between hour and minute? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So therefore 5 by 3 hours is equal to how much minutes? 1 hour means 60 minutes. So therefore 5 by 3 hours means how much minutes? So what we have to do? We have to take a cross multiplication, isn't it? 5 by 3 hours into 60. Okay, so now this is equal to multiply this 5 by 3 with the 60. Okay, so it will give the value in terms of minute. Okay, so 3 ones are 3 twos are, so 5 into 20 is nothing but 100 minute. Okay, so therefore what is the required time here? The required time is given by 100 minute. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, so 5 by 3 hours also correct, but convert this hour to minutes, that is best. Okay, so therefore how to convert? We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So therefore 5 by 3 hours means how much minutes? Multiply 5 by 3 with 60. You will get the value, that is 100 minutes. This is the required value.